Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! In this grammar video, we will look at how to ask how is questions like how is your Chinese or how is the weather tomorrow. Let's turn our textbook to page 92 and take a look at grammar point number 1. Simply put, we use a construction noun plus 怎么样 to ask how is something. For example, how is your Chinese? 你的汉语怎么样？你的汉语怎么样？ Remember back in Grammar 1.6.3, we already learned how to ask how questions like how do you say this? 这个怎么说? The difference is that now we're asking how is something, not how someone does something. For example, now we're asking how is your health? 你身体怎么样? And now it's a noun plus how is it? 你身体怎么样? As for your body, as for your health, how is it?
你身体怎么样？
我身体不太好。
Another example, how's your mom's health? 你妈妈身体怎么样? How's the weather tomorrow? 明天天气怎么样? How's the weather in Beijing yesterday? 昨天北京天气怎么样? All right, time for a quick practice. How do you say, how's your health? How do you say health? You say body instead of health. 你身体怎么样? How about this one? How's your Chinese? 你的汉语怎么样? Yeah, you should say the thing plus 怎么样, and that's it. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.